we just got a new camera. This is the new Canon EOS R50. We're gonna be unboxing this bad boy and doing a video test. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit the like button, subscribe. And guys, I'll be completely honest, if you guys want full analytics and all of this thing what this camera has to offer, go somewhere else. This is just gonna be an unboxing and a video test because to be honest with you, I don't know much about these types of cameras. To be honest, Lindsay, my wife, probably knows more than me. I am a newbie with these. Now, the only camera I've ever had was the G7X, which I'm filming in, which is pretty much just a point and shoot camera. And I do have this, the Canon 80D, but it broke and snapped and I didn't really have it for that long before it broke. So now it's like permanently like glued up there. But anyways, let's open this bad dog up. I haven't opened it. I also got a couple of other things. I got the new Rode mic just for better audio. And then I did buy this. This is a RF 16mm 2.8. From what I'm told by Lindsay, my wife, who's a photographer, that does help get a little bit of a wider shot with somewhat of a blurry background. So that is awesome. So now let's jump into opening this up. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. So obviously we got all the warranty stuff. We got a charger, which we're slowly getting a decent amount of cameras because I do have several other GoPros. Boom. We got, I think that's it right there. Okay. We got this. All right, let's set the box down as I'm dropping stuff. I don't know what that is. Let's see what this is. Because I think this is the body of it. You guys can buy both. You guys can buy a body or you guys can buy the kit. I bought the kit just because I don't have much lenses. Look at this. It's really nice, actually. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. So boom. One of the reasons why I got it is because it does have that, obviously, that flip out screen, which is clutch because you always want to make sure you're in frame. But overall, the feel is a lot lighter than I thought. I was expecting, not something too crazy like the 80D, but something with a little bit of sauce. And this thing here, I honestly am super excited about because of vacations. When I vlog, I've been so used to like these point and shoot cameras, which are extremely light, but this is still pretty light, which is nice. I'm sure once we add a lens to it, it will be, a little more oomph. But anyways, let's move on. So then it obviously comes with the battery. We're gonna throw this on the charger because I obviously want to get some video tests for you guys, because why would you guys click on a video of a camera and people not show a video test of it? That would be just crazy. So it's obviously very similar to a lot of my other ones. It's just a little wall adapter. Plug it in. Now, personally, anytime I get a new camera and a new battery, I always like to try to get it, charged as much as possible, just because I've heard, I don't know if it's true, I've heard that you got to get a full charge before you use it. I don't know, maybe that's just like an old wise tale. They say that with cell phones too. So then we got the lens. Honestly, I might have to get Lindsay in here because I don't even know if I know how to put this. Jeez, I am dropping everything. So this, I don't know how this goes on. I will be honest. I might have to yell for Lindsay. Ooh, fancy, fancy, fancy. Like that, boom, okay. So let's set this off to the side. And we might as well open up this. I mean, it's just a lens, but whatever. And if you guys want to get this camera, I'll put a link to it down below where you guys can get it. I'll put links to all this stuff because I might as well, just to help you guys out. So this one here is supposed to be a little different of a lens. Boom, bam, bada beep boop, easy. Honestly, I'll be completely honest with you. This one is an 18 to 45. And this one is a 16. So I'm assuming this one I can zoom in farther and this one is more, I can't do that. I don't know the terms. I don't know, guys. I've been so used to filming on a point and shoot camera my whole life. I got this, a little goodie bag. Necklace? No, a little attachment where you can attach the camera to it. Then the last thing, Rode mic. I know the audio. One of the reasons I got this is because when we travel or when we're outside and we're filming, it's not the greatest. The audio on this, when it's windy with the G7X, is good, not great. This is gonna make it somewhat great, I hope. Boom, easy. So let's wait for that to charge, and then we're gonna come back. The next clip you guys are gonna see, we're gonna be transitioning from the Canon G7X to the EOS R50. I honestly forgot the name of the camera I just bought. So the next clip, let's go. So yes, I haven't started shooting. This is the camera still. I figured in the meantime, I would put the microphone on. Super simple, goes right on top. There's a little attachment that you can pretty much put it on right on top. Now, they do sell several different types of microphones. This one here is just the basic, it's like foam. They do sell ones that are super fuzzy. Now those are called, I believe, a dead cat. Those are supposed to perform even better in the wind. So maybe sometime down the road I will get one. But for me right now, this is gonna do the job. Also, look how pretty this is. Look at this. Boom, bam, bada beep boop. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at this, guys. That is so cool. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Also, pretty much how you attach it, there's a little mic thing, I'm assuming, right here. Pops out like that. Boom. Kind of slides down like yay. And plugged in. Should be good. So now let's wait for the battery to kind of charge up, and then let's go ahead and see what this thing is capable of. Alright, so I think we're good. So it charged for about 2 hours. Honestly, I don't know how good the audio is gonna be. I don't know how good the video is gonna be. So I think the best way to approach this is to go outside. Me and Lindsay, my wife, are gonna do some cinematic shots and testing this thing to see how good it is. But overall, I'm looking at the screen and looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So now let's head outside to really test this thing of its capabilities. Alright, so testing the camera. I'm in the car, just kind of driving in different lighting. It is kind of overcast, but one thing that I did notice, we actually took this camera on our trip, so I'm actually gonna throw some footage in of us just walking around, kind of vlogging that little trip. And we filmed it with this Canon here with the wind mic. But one thing that I wanna do before I show you all that amazing footage is to actually unplug the microphone so you guys can see and hear the difference between the Rode mic and then the non-Rode mic. So I'm gonna unplug it right now. So the audio, I'm sure, changed. I'm sure it's probably better with the microphone. I do have the AC on, so you might be able to hear that. But overall, I definitely think that the microphone makes a huge difference, especially being outside. But for now, I'm actually gonna show you guys some videos of us kind of walking around this local city we went to, filming and vlogging on this. It's only gonna be about 30 seconds of video, but if you guys wanna check out the full vlog, that's coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So guys, let's go. Right, so we just left the candy store. Literally, that was the most candy I think we've ever gotten at a single place. But now, what?
There's four.
I know, it seemed like a lot, but actually it probably really isn't. But I think we're gonna look around maybe in a souvenir shop for all the kids and everyone. But yeah, so far so good.
Okay. I kind of want to try one. So Ollie, I'm gonna put one.
Bananas.
What'd you get, bud?
Just bananas.
Okay, you gotta be able to shut it.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. I'll see you guys later. Take care.